Hi, Pat here. I got a Pioneer stereo model SX680. This was made around 1978 and it's rated at 30 watts per channel. It does power on, and I got a CD playing right now. And it does play. And I do get a stereo light on. And that's the only station I could pick up here without hooking up the big antenna. But the FM does seem to work. So let's take a look at the inside. Here's the inside. This is the top side. Here you can see how dusty it is. I'll blow that out. And another shot. There you go. There's the output modules. They're STKs 038. And the bottom side never gets no dust down there, so it's clean. I got all the dust out of the inside. And I did get back there and get all the switches and all the pods. I placed all these light bulbs. This type of an LED, they just plug right in. And right now I do have my dummy loads hooked up to it. The set of voltmeters, the AC. And all the lights come on. Everything is looking good. And let's go ahead and turn the volume up. It's right there, it's starting to clip. Oh, right there. And my meter is saying a little over 17 and a little under 17. So do the math. Turn that back on. 17 squared divided by 8, so I'm getting 36 watts out of this. It's pretty good for a 36 watt system. I do have a square wave going through it, and the square waves are looking good. Take a look at the VU meters as I turn it up. And as I get all the way up, see it does hit 30. So those VU meters are working good too. I got speakers hooked up to it again. And I am getting FM. Even with my lousy antenna.
Projectiles off its east coast,
get a couple stations. Got a record spinning. And I got a CD hooked up to my tape input, but everything's sounding pretty good. Here's one last look at it. The faceplate did clean up pretty nicely. There's some little nicks there. A little across the top. That final wood grain on both sides is gone. The top doesn't look too bad. Sides, yeah, the paper vinyl is peeling pretty much on both sides, but everything in the back is quite intact. So all in all, this little thing came out pretty nice. Thanks for watching the video.